Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab i8 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, open calendar application. In it, tap on day when you want to add our event, maybe 22 of August, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of our event. There we can set when event starts and finish or finish in which time, or by the switch we can set it will be all day, but tap there. There we can add this event to our friends on Gmail. There we can get set when we get notification, and in alert type we get only notification or email, what you need and prefer. And you can add more than one notification, repeat of that if we need it. There we can add location of our event, notes to that, and invite some people. After we set all in it, you must add everything, press save, and we have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.